In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a multiplication mosaic in Excel. Creating a multiplication mosaic in Excel is a fantastic way to visualize and organize numbers efficiently. By using Excel's sequence features and formulas, you can generate a dynamic multiplication table that updates automatically and saves you a lot of time compared to manual calculations. To start, type the numbers 1 and 2 into any two adjacent cells of your choice. Once both numbers are entered, highlight the cells. You'll notice a small square at the bottom right corner of the highlighted area. This is called the fill handle. By clicking and dragging this handle across the row, you can extend the sequence to include as many numbers as you need. Excel will automatically fill in the remaining numbers sequentially, which is much faster than typing them individually. Next, we'll create a column of numbers in a similar way. In a new column, enter 1 and 2 again, highlight both cells, and drag the fill handle downwards to generate a sequence. With both your row and column numbers in place, we can now set up the multiplication formula that will complete your table. Click on the first cell where you want the multiplication result to appear. Enter the formula equals $2 times $B3. You might be wondering about the dollar signs. The dollar signs make specific parts of your formula absolute, meaning that Excel will keep the reference to row 2 and column B constant as you copy the formula across your table. This ensures that your multiplication table calculates correctly for every intersection of row and column numbers. Once the formula is entered, it's time to apply it across the table. Click the cell containing your formula and press Ctrl+C to copy it, or right-click and select Copy. Then, highlight the range of cells where you want the multiplication results to appear and paste the formula. Excel will instantly calculate all the values, creating a complete multiplication mosaic without additional effort. By following these steps, you can quickly set up a fully functional multiplication table that is easy to read and visually appealing. This method not only saves time, but also provides a clear and organized way to present numerical data. You can expand the table to include larger numbers or adjust it to match your specific needs, making Excel an incredibly versatile tool for learning, teaching, or working with numbers efficiently. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.